This
Today we will see
conference
the
will now be
demo.
recorded.
Uh, Today we will see the demo of what is the MIS, where and all we will use advanced Excel. What is the use of advanced Excel, and what we need to do with the advanced Excel. This and all we will see today. First of all, could you please introduce yourself and your experiences, and what and all technologies are you worked, previous experience and all? Could you please? Then we will start the class. Please, one by one. Why I'm asking means I can understand where you are standing, and what kind of training you need, and what kind of teaching I need to teach all these formulas and advanced Excel. This kind of things I'll get to know. Could you please, Purushottam, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, good morning to all. It's myself, Purushothaman. I have 6 years experience in poultry field.
Mm-hmm.
Currently now I am working in Amazon delivery job.
Oh, okay. Very good. Okay. Nagasharan?
Yeah, hi. Good morning, all. Myself, Nagacharan. I have 20 months of experience in Infosys BPM Limited, and after that, I am I am doing in a job in immigration services. I have 2 months of experience in immigration.
Okay. Kausalya?
Hi. Hi, good morning. My name is Kausalya. I completed my MBA in HR specialization in Krishnadhan Institute of Science and Technology. So I have 1 month experience as a HR intern in Sudha Foundation. So I'm a fresher. So that's it.
Okay. Good. And someone 781
Yeah, hi, this is
name not.
Krishna. I am from Anantapur.
Yeah,
Hello.
Krishna. Please.
I
Yeah,
am
yeah,
from
Krishna.
Anantapur. I completed my graduation 2022, but now I am fresher.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, sure. Mahida?
Yeah, myself, Magar. I'm taking the big pro.
Mm-hmm.
I am doing the trust and safety.
Okay. Subrayadu? Okay. Not an issue. Okay. We are learning. We are here to learn the things. Okay. First of all the people know what is the MIS. What is the meaning of MIS? I'll share my screen. Okay. Please let me know once it is visible. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. We
Yeah,
can.
yeah.
Okay. 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 First of all, today we will see what is the MIS, and why we need to use advanced Excel in the organization, what kind of opportunities we have in the every organization, and for advanced Excel, what we need to learn, and what kind of reports we are going to do, and what kind of things in the organization we are going to manage. This and all we will see today. Okay, MIS. First of all, what is the MIS means? Management Information System. M, Management Information and System. Management Information System. In this program, we will learn advanced Excel. Advanced Excel. By suppose, if you go for any organization hierarchy, if you go for any organization hierarchy, okay. Anybody knows what is the organization hierarchy? First of all, If you know, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll explain. Okay, where we need to use advanced Excel and all. I'll explain. Okay, coming to the organization hierarchy. Okay, every organization there will be a CEO, there will be a VIP, okay, Vice President, VP, sorry, VP, and there will be a senior manager, okay, there will be a manager and assistant manager, assistant manager, okay, there will be a team lead, team lead, team lead, and there will be a, okay, team members, senior members, okay, 1 minute, okay, senior members, SME, we will call it here, okay, SME, and employees are members, members, we will see, okay. For this, all these kind of things, for all these members, we need to give some kind of information to the organization. We need to maintain a data for these people. Okay, we need to maintain a data for this team. We need to maintain a all kind of data for this all the kind of data we need to maintain. For this, what person we need to know? We want one person who knows all the advanced Excel. Okay, third person we call it as a MIS, Management Information System. There will be a lot of opportunities or lot of kind of designation we have. MIS executive, MIS coordinator, senior MIS executive, team lead, MIS team lead, MIS assistant manager, MIS manager we have. Okay, what this person will do? This person will maintain all kind of data, all kind of data about above above manager, below manager, and above manager. Okay, there will be a two kind of MISs. Okay, there will be a two kind of MISs. Okay, one highly like this person will report to the directly CEO and VP and senior manager. Okay, what this person will do? This person will collect all kind of related to the organization data from these persons who manager, assistant manager, team lead, senior member, and members. Okay, these senior members and members will not allow to share the data, but team lead and assistant manager will share the data to these MIS. This kind of this the one person who reports the highly high high management system. Okay, and another person will have another MIS. Okay, this person will maintain all the kind of data about these members and senior member and team lead. Okay, what kind of data they are going to maintain, what kind of data. Okay, by suppose you are a person, you are a working with the team, whether it is a BPO, whether it is a IT sector, whether it is a marketing team, whether it is a HR team, whether it is a finance team. Okay, in that team I need to know the employee performance. I need to know, uh, I need to pay the payroll, like salaries. I need to pay the salaries. I need to give the incentives. I need to give the like what we can say in the hierarchy, like in the salary hikes. We need to give some. ratings to the members. This kind of data we are going to maintain in the Excel, in the Excel. Okay. Here, do you have any doubts in this hierarchical? Anybody? Please, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Then I'll go to the other slide. Anybody has any doubts as of now?
So can you please explain again, sir?
Okay. Okay. First of all, what is MIS? Management Management Information. Could you please okay mute somebody? Yes, please. Okay. MIS means Management Information System. In this word only, we know that management. Okay, we are going to manage the team, and we will collect the information. What is that is called data, and we will build a system. We will build a system that is called management information system. If you go for any organization hierarchical, there is a two kind of MIS we will get. Okay, for that I'm giving like here we have CEO in the organization. For every organization, there will be a CEO, there will be a VP, Vice President, and there will be a, like some organizations will have senior VIP. Okay, senior VP. Okay, senior VP, senior vice president, and there is a senior manager in the down, assistant manager, team lead, senior members, and members. Okay, there will be a two kind of MISs. Every organization there will be a two kind of MISs. Okay, one is there will somebody will directly will report to the higher management. That is another MIS, and there will be another MIS. Okay, MIS executive or MIS coordinator or senior MIS or team lead or assistant manager of MIS or senior manager of MIS. Okay, this kind of MISs we will have in the every organization. What this MIS person will do, whoever manager or assistant manager, this person will collect all the information, okay, from this MIS, and he will report to the senior management. And what this MIS person will do, this person will this person will maintain all the information about this team lead and senior member and member employees. Okay, this member will give it to the this MIS, and this MIS person will represent all the data to the CEO and senior management. Okay, these are all we will see. We will see next slide. Any doubts about now, as of now? Clear?
Yeah,
Anybody has any doubts? Clear, right?
yeah, clear.
Yeah. Okay. Now we will go to the another slide. Okay. Now see, what is a majestic? Right information, right person, right place at right time, and right form and right cost. It means what we need to do? Right information. Right information. Okay. I'll give a small example. Okay. You are a team, you are a MIS executive. Your manager has some meeting on Friday or Thursday. If you collect any information, you are collected in data from your team member, and you have represented to the your manager. Your manager going to represent to the senior members. If you give wrong information to the manager, what will happen? What will happen? He will scold, right? The manager will scold, and the manager will come to you, and he will ask the why you have given the wrong data. Okay, that is called you need to maintain right information. Okay, MIS person is the right person for the every organization. Okay, he is the right. He need to stand in the right place, and he need to give the right information at right time. It right time means, okay, I have a meeting at 9 o'clock, but the MIS person has given the data at 9:20. What will happen? It is the not it is it is not a right time. Okay, I'll give another example. I have a salary hikes to the employees. Today I have to give the ratings to the employees, but MIS has given day after 1 day after 1 day. What will happen? Okay, that is called, okay. He need to give information at right time, at right form, at right form. What right form means? Okay, right form means whatever information as requested from the management, they have to give in the right form for the right cost. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now in this diagram, what we are going to learn here, okay, technology, technology in the sense, some of the companies will use the databases. Some of the companies will use the databases to store the data, to store the data. Okay, like SQL, Oracle, SAP, this kind of things, they will use the technology. Okay, some of the companies, what they will do, they will maintain the persons like MIS, which they are going to use the advanced Excel. Advanced Excel. All the information will store in the advanced Excel. Okay. In the what kind of format they will use? Okay. In the data form and information. Okay. Next slide. I'll explain what is the data and how we are going to convert that data into the information. Okay, at the what kind of formation they are going to as a MIS, what kind of uh, information we need to provide in the graphical representation. Okay, in the graphical representation we need to provide in the graphical representation. For that, what we need to learn, we need to learn advanced Excel. Advanced Excel, not basic, advanced Excel. In this advanced Excel, we are going to learn 90 plus formulas, 90 plus formulas, and different kind of different kind of charts, different kind of charts which are not included in the Excel. Okay, we will use some techniques and we will form the charts. Okay, I'm going to explain all these things in the future classes. Okay, now coming to the place, another slide. Planning. What is the management? Planning. Okay, by suppose I'm giving small example. You are going to plan some kind of some kind of any like a family party, something. For that, what we need to do? We need to plan. We need to plan, like how many members we need to invite, and what kind of food we need to arrange, and what kind of activities we need to do. This and all, what we will do, we need to plan. As a MIS, whenever you get the data, we need to plan with the data. Okay, organizing, we need to maintain the team. And directing means, Okay, once you will get the data, once you will get the data, and that data you will convert as a information, and that information will direct to the team, will direct to the team. I'll give you a small example. Okay, I'll give the small example. Okay, uh, uh, I'll take the example of BPO. BPO. Okay, every month, I'm getting a volume of, I'm getting a volume of 2,200, 200, volume, whatever we call it as calls or leads, whatever. Okay, 2,200 I am getting this month leads. Okay, I have a information every month. I have given the representation of graphical representation to the team. Okay, see, this month I got 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, and this month I got 1,500, 1,500, 1,500, and this month I got 1,000, 1,000. But I have, in this team I have excess of employees, excess of employees. Okay, for 2,000 I have 20 members, 20 members, 20 members. 1,500 for 1,500 also I have 20 members, and 1,000 also I have 20 members. But these employees are accessing. Okay, as per our information, what the team manager or senior manager, what he will do, team or will do. Some of the person will cross train to the other kind of work in the BPO. Okay, or they will move it to the another team where they has a high value. Okay, this kind of things we will do the in the directing. Okay, coordinating, coordinating. What if you want any kind of information from other team or other senior members or another management, what we will do, we will we will coordinate with the team members. We will coordinate with the team members. Okay, we will coordinate with the team members. Okay, now coming to the other slide. Okay, here, what is the information? What is the information? Okay, appropriate data, appropriate data. Okay, can anybody explain what is the meaning of appropriate data, please? Just this is the interaction. If you tell wrong also, not any issue. Why? Because here we are going to learn all these things. That's why I'm explaining here. Okay, what is the
Maybe right
appropriate
data.
data first? Sorry,
Maybe right data,
please.
correct information.
Yeah, yes, right data. Okay, okay. Just I'll give a small example. What is the right data? Okay, here I have a data. Uh, I have prepared one template to the team. Template to the team. It means name, EMP ID, EMP, EMP ID, EMP ID, and department, depart, department. Okay, whatever spelling. Okay, salary. Okay, here my name is Nagendra. Okay, I'm giving employee ID. Okay, department operations and salary, whatever salary. Okay, some other person will what he will do. He will update like, okay, he will he will update here uh, employee ID, and he will update his name, and his update salary, and his update department finance. Is it correct data? Is it correct data?
No, no.
No, no. Okay. As a MIS, we need to collect a correct data. We need to direct to the team. Hey, Mr. Ashok, you need to update your name in the name column. You need to update employee ID in the employee ID column, department, and salary in the right information. Okay. This is called appropriate data. Remember this, as a MIS, you need to collect appropriate data first. Okay. Then what we will do from this appropriate data, we will convert the data into accurate information. Okay. First of all, I have a doubt. What is the we understand that appropriate data. What is the meaning of information? What is the meaning of information? Anybody, please? Just interaction. If you, as a MIS, we
Data.
need to interact all these things.
Data.
Data.
It contains
Okay,
only important and useful data.
very good. Okay, I'll show you one example. Okay, I'll show you one example. You can understand what is the appropriate data and what is the information first. Okay, as we know, this is the appropriate data. Information means the summarization of data is called information. Got it? Understood? I'll show you the example. Let me open. The summarization of data is called information. Information. Okay, let me open. And relevant decision. Okay, once if you got the data, what you will do, you will do the analysis, and you will convert the data into appropriate information or accurate information. From that information, you will take the decisions. We will not take the decisions. Management will take the decisions. What our job in the organization? We will collect the data and we will convert as a information or graphical representation, and we will provide to the management. That the management, depending upon the data or depending upon the information, they will take the decisions. They will take the decisions. Now, coming to the my Excel. Okay, this is my where I'm some of the like some of the team I have prepared. Okay, this is about quality check. Okay, which employees has prepared or done the work. The quality team will check and they will give the errors of team members. Come here, see, I have all the columns. Okay, is it visible, guys? Can I zoom it? Okay, okay. Now, see, I have given the appropriate columns like a serial number, month, week, production date, audit date, center, what is the quality analysis name, processor name, process name, and the order number. What is the order number, state, and country. Okay, we will call it as a county. Searcher, who is the employee. Okay, this and all information, this and all data I'm collecting. Now, as per slide, I have explained, right? Appropriate data. This is called appropriate data. This is called appropriate data. It means whatever I want that data I have arranged in a particular or meaningful manner. Meaningful manner. Okay. By suppose in the QA, I'm giving in the QA column, whatever QA name I'll mention in the searcher. I'll mention in the searcher. Okay. 1 minute. Searcher. Okay. And whatever search name, I'll give it to the QA name. Okay. If I prepare any report from this data, I'll get a wrong result. I'll get a wrong result. Okay, that's why we need to take appropriate data from team members, appropriate data from team members or management. Coming to the other section. Okay, just I'm going to the calculations. Okay, this is a heavy data, that's why it is not responding properly. Okay, this is my data, appropriate data. Okay, from this data, what I'm gonna do? Okay, I have done some calculations by using advanced Excel or formulas from this data. See, this is called information. This is called information. Okay, I'll ask the one question. Okay, can you people tell me what is the week one quality percentage? Or can people tell me in the week one how many searches are completed, how many orders? Can you please tell me in the week one how many QA members are audited, how many orders? Could you please anybody explain by seeing this data? Is it possible? Is it possible?
No, no, it can't. We can't count.
Yes, we can't. Why? Because this is a just data. This is a just data. Okay. What we have done by using Excel calculations or formulas. Okay. Now I have converted the data into the information. This is called information. Now I know that. Okay. Haripriya, she is a certified and she done 199 audits and 18 errors, and there will be a tier. Okay, first year, second year, third year, there will be a something. Every organization they will not maintain this kind of data, but my organization I have maintained this kind of data. That's why I am just giving the example. Depending upon the organization, they will give some they will maintain the data or information. Okay, now clearly I am understanding that i can I can compare with employee to employee, and I can see all the audits or errors, what kind of things and what kind of quality they are maintaining, each and everything. I can analyze from this information. I can analyze from this information. Okay. By seeing this data, I cannot analyze anything. Okay. By seeing this information, I can analyze somewhat 70% analysis I can do. I can take action about these guys. Okay. He is in the minus quality. Minus quality. Okay. I'll take a action like as a MIS, I'll not take a action. As a senior manager or manager, they will take a action about this person. Why? Why you are in the minus 200 quality? Why you have done these many errors? Like this kind of questions, okay, this kind of questions will raise from management. As a MIS, what we need to do? We will collect appropriate data. We will convert as a information. Okay, this is 70% analysis it is giving, right? If I convert this information as a graphical representation that will be 100% useful to the management. Easily they can understand and they can analyze the data. Okay, come to the dashboard. Okay, now check. See, now if you go to this section, whatever information I have shown here, same information I have represented as a graphical representation. See, I have given a line graph. In this line graph, I can easily understand that who is the down quality, who is the negative quality, and who is the positive quality. I can easily understand that with the names. Okay, now again I am explaining same appropriate data, accurate information, relevant decisions. Relevant decision. Okay, now I got appropriate data. I got appropriate data. Appropriate data. As a MIS, what we need to do as per management requirement, we will convert that data into information. That information will convert as a graphical representation. Now here I didn't understand anything like how many members, how many errors they have to done, and how many audits they have done. These and all I cannot take the information from this data by seeing this kind of data. Okay, what I have done as per uh, sorry uh, I have used some calculations and converted as a information. Somewhat from seeing this information, I can take some decisions. But by easily, I cannot compare with the employee to employee. But by seeing this graph, I can easily compare with one person to another person. Understood, guys? Now, I hope it is very clear what is appropriate data and accurate information and relevant decision. Now, the management will take action about these guys who are in the negative quality. Is it clear? Anybody has any doubts? Please, I'll move to
No,
next
sir,
slide.
please.
Clear, right? Okay, very good. If you have any doubts, please raise a question. I'll clarify. See, by seeing this graphical information, the management will take all the decisions. What is the internal quality and what is the external quality? What are the tier-wise error count and tier-wise external count? And day by day, what is the positive quality and what is the negative quality? See, okay, we have a information. Here we have information, all this information. By seeing information, suddenly we cannot take the decisions. Okay, by seeing the data, we cannot suddenly take the decisions. Okay, that's what we need to do. We will convert that data into information and we will show the graphical representation. Okay, and come to the next slide. Okay, okay. What is the system? Input. What is the input? Okay, I want to collect the data. I want to collect the data from the team. Okay, I want to collect the data from team. What as a MIS, what you will do? You will discuss with the senior management, and what you need to do. Hey, manager, what kind of information you want? What kind of information you want, and what kind of data I want to collect from the team or other team members. Okay, as per that, what you will do, you will give instructions to the team members like, hey, you need to maintain the month name in the month column, you need to maintain the week number in the week column. Okay, production date, you need to maintain the production date in this column. Like that, what you will do, you will prepare some template in the Excel and you will give it to the team members or another team member or team leads. Okay, what you will do, you will prepare like this. Okay, you will give the appropriate columns and you will circulate to the team. You will circulate to the team. Okay, then what they will do, as per column names, they will maintain all the information and they will send it to you. They will send it to you. Okay, then what we will do, we will consolidate all like this. We will consolidate all the data like this is not one day data. This is all about 2 3 months data, 1 month data, 1 month data. Okay, we will collect and consolidate this data, and this is called input process. What we will do, what we will do after collecting all the data, we will convert that data into information, and that information we will convert as a graphical representation. This is called process. Output. What is the output? Output means whatever, whenever we circulate this report to the management, they will take the decisions. They will take the decisions. Okay, where we need to improve, why these many errors in the TFO, we need to decrease these errors, we need to concentrate in this area. Okay, why the external errors are 64, we need to decrease by next month or by next week, we need to decrease these errors. That kind of decisions will take care by the management. That is called output. This is what system. This is what system. Don't worry. These kind of all things we are not going to do in the organization. Just we will collect the data, whatever input we will give to the team, and we will process the data and we will circulate to the management. They will take the decisions. We will not take the any decisions. Okay, don't worry. And how how the data will process? How the data will process? Okay. See, in the organization, this is a just example. Every organization will have a sales team, production team, ops team, finance team, admin team, administration, HR team. Everything will have each and every organization. This kind of teams is a common. Okay, how the data will obtain to the MIS executive. Okay, okay, they'll have they'll have some like third party applications. Third party applications means websites or a application software. From the software, they will process the orders. Like, see, for example, we have we will purchase a product. Okay, once we purchase the product, that product will that product will go to the database, and the all the data about that customer, it will save into the database. It will save into the database. That is called sales. By suppose if you go for any HR team, okay, how many members the recruiter contacted, how many members are interested for this position, how many members are attended for this interview, how many members are selected for this position, how many members are processed for this position. These kind of all the things, okay, they will save it into the database. Okay, some of the organization will maintain the database. Some of the organizations, some small organizations will not maintain the databases. Okay, okay, okay. Once they will they will save it all the information into the some of the databases, and as a MIS we will collect that data from database and we will convert that data into the reports and we will circulate to the managers. You can ask one question, Nagendra, here he is a manager, right? He'll have all the access of databases. He can he can he can take the data and he can analyze the data, right? Why we need to arrange a middle person in the MIS? Okay, all the members will not know the advanced Excel. Who knows very well advanced Excel, that person is a MIS. What manager will give? He will give an idea to the MIS. Hey Nagendra, I want this kind of graph where I can show losses and profits, or how many members I have. This kind of information I want to show. Like this, he will give the inputs to the MIS. Inputs to the MIS. As a MIS, what we will do? We will get an idea and we will know the formulas. Okay, the depending upon that formulas and calculations, what we will do, we will take the information from the database or persons or team members from team members, and we will convert the data into reports, and whatever required as per management or manager requirement, we will circulate the data into manager. This is called, okay, this is how we will obtain the data. We will obtain the data from the team member or transaction process system, whatever database, whatever things. Okay, anybody has any doubts here? In the small organizations, we need to collect the data from person to person or person to team member. If it is a medium or MNC companies, they'll have a separate kind of databases. From the databases, we will pull the data into Excel. From the Excel, we will process the data. We will convert the data into information. Okay. Here, anybody has any doubt? I'll move to the slide.
No, sir.
If you have any doubts,
No.
please raise the questions.
Hello.
Clear, right? As of now? Yes.
Hello. I have a question
Yes,
here.
please.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
This MIS from the slides, I could got some knowledge that this MIS will be used within the organization, right? There will be no separate projects for this MIS.
So this is not a depend on the projects. This is depends on the team.
See, this
How
is
many
like
members I have
within the
in
company,
the
right?
team.
Like suppose there is a company called TCS. TCS itself,
Okay.
like there are multiple projects which are running in TCS. So TCS want to
Okay.
know that what are the sales. See, this
Yes.
skill which we
That
are
that is
discussing right now
that is
will
not.
be used
Yes.
within the
Yes. Yes.
organization only, right? That's what I'm about to ask.
Yes. Within the organization. Yeah. Within the organization, this is not depending upon the project. Okay. Sometime within 90 days, that project will close. Okay. If you hire a MIS person, what the MIS person will do after 90 days? He cannot do anything. Okay. This is purely depending upon the team members. How many members I have in the team? What kind of data I want to maintain for these members? What kind of projects these 90 members are handling? Whether it is a sale, whether it is a marketing, whether it is a operations, whether it is a finance, this kind of data will maintain by the MIS executive. Clear? See, I'll get a multiple projects in the team.
Okay.
Clear your doubt?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Come to the next slide. See, here in the every organization, these kind of MASs are common. Okay, these kind of MASs are common. Financial MAS, financial MAS. Who is maintaining the payroll kind of things and incentives and transactions of organization or team, each and everything. Okay, financial and accounting MAS are both same. And marketing team, what kind of marketing we are going to do for the our products, which kind of marketing we are doing, whether it is online, whether it is offline. Okay, how many members we have in the team, in the marketing team, what kind of activities they are doing. This kind of all the things will maintain by the marketing team. And human resources, already in the previous example I have explained, right? Okay, what kind of how many openings we have, and how many members are attended to the interview, how many members are cleared the first round, how many members are cleared the second round. This kind of all the information will maintain by the human resource MIS. These are the common MISs for every organization. Without MIS, there will not be a team. Okay, I can say like Nagendra, in my team there is no MIS. Okay, that all the information will maintain by the team lead, or all the information will maintain by the assistant manager. How? They need to know the Excel. Without Excel knowledge, they cannot maintain the information, or they cannot convert the data into the information. That is called MIS. If you are into the manager position, if you are into the team lead position, if you are into the assistant manager or whatever senior member, you need to know all this kind of knowledge in the Excel. Okay, and what kind of activities they are doing. Okay, scheduled report. Scheduled reports. Can anybody explain what is the scheduled reports? In the name itself, we have. In the name itself, we have. Can anybody please? Scheduled report. Okay, it means daily. I want to send one or two reports on daily basis. Daily, I want to send. Okay, I'll give a small example. In my team, I have a 90 members. I have a 90 members. 90 members. Okay, every day that 90 members they are doing some activity on the daily basis in the team. Okay, as a team member, I want to know the performance of that particular day, or my management want to know the performance of each employee. Okay, in this situation, okay, in this situation, we will send the report on daily basis, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, and quarterly or yearly. Okay, this is called scheduled reports. Scheduled reports. Without fail, every day I want to circulate that report. Without fail, every week of Friday or every week of Monday, I want to circulate that report. And starting of the month or end of the month, I want to circulate this report, like an incentive report or attendance report, this kind of reports. Or yearly, whenever employee has like a salary hikes, that time each and every employee ratings I want to circulate on every year on particular month, April of every year. Okay, and quarterly, each quarter wise, I want to share the data, like if you go for marketing team, there will be a rewards and rewards. Okay, whoever achieve the targets for third person, they'll give the rewards. And each quarter they want to know the performance of each employee. This is called scheduled reports. Scheduled reports. Demand reports. Demand means it means whenever management or whenever manager or higher management wants to know about the team performance or volume report or anything, okay, the time they will demand the report, they'll ask the report. That time we will immediately prepare the demand reports. And same exception reports. It means whenever team has like a in the trouble, like in the lower side of volume or lower generation of revenue, that time the management immediately they want to know or they want to know the analysis of the team performance. That time they'll ask the exception reports. Okay, this kind of reports we will circulate. We will prepare on the. We will prepare as a MIS. One schedule report, demand report, and exception reports. Okay, coming to the next slide. Okay, see, I have already explained, right? See, schedule report. What is the schedule report? Produced periodically on scheduled, like a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Demand report gives certain report on the manager request. Whenever manager request, okay, we will give the demand report. And exception report automatically produced when situation is unusual and requires management action. In the previous slide, I have explained, right? That situation, okay, we will prepare the exception reports. Okay, this is okay. And the importance of importance of organization. MIS plays a role of information generation, communication, problem identification. This and all we will do the organization. Okay, MIS helps to the junior management. Okay, and providing operational data for planning, scheduling, controlling, and helps further decisions. Already in the previous slides, I have explained, right? Same thing here also given in the theoretical method. Okay, this is the importance of and MIS responsibilities. Unless we will not do all these things, just we will collect the data, we will convert as information, and we will represent into the graphical manner, and we will circulate into the team and management. Whatever decisions they want, they will take care of these things. This is what MIS. Just this theoretical explanation of MIS. From tomorrow, we will start the advanced like basics of Excel options. Okay, how the user interface and what kind of formulas we are going to learn and how many days it will take. And after learning advanced Excel, what kind of how I want to expand my knowledge with the other tools. Okay, for other tools, if you learn advanced Excel, Power BI, okay, Power BI is a visualization tool. It is very easy to learn if you learn advanced Excel. Okay, we have major major applications in the market. Okay, Tableau and Power BI. Okay, it is a paid, and it is a somewhat like a low paid service. Power BI. Every organization is acquired Power BI as of now. And we have a ClickSense also. ClickSense. It is also visualization tool. we have some recently introduced Google somewhat I forgot the name. Okay, Google also introduced visualization tool. Okay, after learning advanced Excel, if you done 1 year or 1.5 year of job in the advanced Excel, you can expand with these skills. Okay. Okay, in this program, what we will do from basic to advanced Excel, I'll explain, and 90 plus formulas I'll explain, and 10 to 15 charts like visualizations, how we need to do visualizations in the Excel. This kind of all the things we will do. And if you get a bad data, how do you convert that data, bad data into good data? For that, we have option called Power Query in the Excel. The Power Query also I'll explain. In the Power BI also Power Query will come. And whatever formulas we are going to learn in the Excel, third formulas also almost 50% is related to the Power BI. I can say it is an extension of Power BI is an extension of advanced Excel. Okay, clear? Anybody has any doubts? Before closing the class, please let me know.
Yeah, actually, I missed initial 10 minutes class here. During this course in MIS, apart from this Excel,
Yes.
are we going to cover any other tools or only Excel?
Like I'm going to cover in the Excel like 90 plus formulas and Power Query and advanced charts in the Excel and
Yeah.
Power BI basics I'll explain and SQL
Mm-hmm.
basics also I'll explain.
Okay. I could see that in WhatsApp group they were mentioned Excel,
Mhm.
SQL, and there is a tool called VBA. VBA is also covered here, and what is the relation uh, VBA with this
VBA is a
MIS course?
programming language. VBA is a programming language. Okay, Visual Basic for application. It is a Excel like a macros under VBA
Mm-hmm.
programming. That also I could like I'll explain. It is not advanced level. It is another kind of session. VBA means.
Mm-hmm.
In this program, I'll explain how do you automate your reports with the recording macros without
Okay.
writing any programming. How do you record your like daily kind of session? What kind of if you do same kind of work in the Excel again and again, if you don't want to do those kind of things,
Okay.
for that we have a solution in the Excel that is called macros. Okay, I'll show you recorded macros. How do you automate your reports? If you want to
Okay.
learn advanced things, you need to go for another kind of program that is called VBA. It is not
Okay.
advanced level of Excel.
Mm-hmm.
It is
Okay.
a separate.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Clear?
Yeah.
Anybody has any doubts before closing the class? Kausalya, Maida, Nagacharan, Purushottam.
No, no, no.
No.
If you don't have any doubts, we will wind up the class today, and we will continue by tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Yeah.
We will connect by tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.